Now here's how you can change the lock screen wallpaper on the iPad, and let me show you how it works. And if you're new on this channel, if it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything. Now, the way that it works now in the latest versions of the iPadOS is that the wallpaper for a lock screen and home screen are kind of like paired together, so we have these wallpaper pairs. So you change the lock screen and also home screen wallpaper gets adjusted. But in order to change that, just swipe down to access the notification panel, which is also the lock screen. Hold down on it and you can swipe through the existing one. So as you can tell, I have actually many of them ready on my iPad, and I can just, switch to that one. Both wallpapers get changed, right? So I can switch between them very simply. But I can also just hold down on it and click on customize below, so I can change some things about that particular lock screen. So I can, for example, apply a different filter or, choose a different style, whatever. But also I can swipe all the way to the right where we have the plus button, and I can create a brand new lock screen from scratch, right? So that would be in case I want to change the wallpaper completely. I would click on the plus right here, and I would pick from the featured wallpapers or, the collections, the astronomy, or, so many different styles which I can pick from, right? Plenty of different ways. Obviously, you can also click on the colors and emojis and also photos, so you can access your pictures, and even a photo shuffle, which will change your wallpapers on the lock screen all the time. It will rotate through your selected images, so that is something that is a popular option for a lot of iPad users. So I would really appreciate your feedback below if you let me know if you managed to find it and kind of set it up. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I'll catch you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. So subscribe for that, and I'll see you then.